Hello, my name is David Wooldridge. I'm the president of Batching Systems Inc. And this is our patented dual view scanner that comes on all of our counting systems. Verifies that you get the correct count in your container, bag, blister every time. So this is our Batchmaster 2 dual view scanner. It's a patented scanner that measures the volume of a part falling through it at 2,000 times a second. So what that does is it allows you to get in real time a visual or a size of that product falling through. So if I screw this together, now it looks like this. Different sizes and shape. This isn't a stored, this is in real time measurement. The accuracy of this, for a standard counter on parts is 1 over per 4,000 parts counted and no undercounts. So the scanner sits on top of all of our counters and actually measures the volume of every part that falls through. You can see it, the volume would be equal. You're looking at the volume number of the part by adding the X and Y together. But if you drop it through directly, you can actually get something that resembles the part, an instant image. Each line in here is a scan line from the scanner. And you're not breaking it from one view, you're breaking it from 2 views. So if you have something that's like a washer, where a normal scanner will see the edge of this washer fall through, count it, and it'll see a hole, and it'll count the other side and count this as 2. This actually measures it, inverts the size of the washer, so you're actually only measuring the material that's falling through the scanner. And then if something falls through that doesn't match, so say you have a part like this falls through, and then this part is larger and it falls through, it will reject it inside the counter head. So we have gates and mechanisms that will reject that part out and start to batch over. So you only count good product. Thanks for watching. This is David Wooldridge with Batching Systems. Please visit our website at batchingsystems.com or give us a call at 410-414-8111. We'd be happy to evaluate your products and provide you with a solution.